Tell us about everything AI, Craig.
You know my love-hate relationship with AI. Look, there's good things in HubSpot. Like they've got so many tools. We've linked to their page. And I'm sure after I get inbound, there's going to be plenty more AI. Be careful which ones you use. So anything, you know, I've ranted about this before, anything that creates content, most of it's just slop. Creating blog posts via AI, it's just junk. But summarizing stuff is really useful. Content prompts, setting page titles and meta descriptions. I actually think it's pretty good at that.
Correct.
When you use it to create descriptions on workflows, it's pretty good at analyzing a workflow and giving a good description. And then the summarizing, which is available, I think, on pretty much every object. Like a ticket, I think, is a great example. Just got that summarize. It looks at all the ticket activity and summarizes. It's really handy, beautiful. So there are some things with AI just in there which are great. And I just feel these are the default bits you can put into your normal behavior. It's like spell check. The things that are like spell check, I think are great. Yep. Summarize this, check this, show me this. They're great. Where the things that create long form content, why would you create a blog post on that? If someone wanted to know that, they just ask ChatGPT themselves. Why would they go to your blog post to see something AI generated? Just junk. That said, ideation, I think it can be really good at ideation, but I probably use the tools natively for that. I don't know if I'd actually do that within HubSpot. So pros and cons, you know how I rant about this stuff, but what's your thoughts, Ian?
I think it's getting better, Craig.
Mm-hmm.
As I use it in different parts of the systems, I think one thing HubSpot's done well is try and break it down to single use.
Oh, that's a good point.
Where people are utilizing rather than trying to do massive amounts of computation there. And I think, like you said, it's become really good. Like, I want to generate the title of the subject of the email. I want to generate the meta description. I want to summarize. Like one of the features, especially in B2B and sales, one of the key things that people have been loving is the summarizing the company before they have conversations with people that they're going to talk to. Massive benefit to them. So I think that's sped up things.
Excellent example.
Again, I think there've been single use things that have actually done really well.
Totally agree. Should be a breeze to use these things, shouldn't it, Ian? Anyway, just finally on AI chatbots, which they've been trumpeting a bit lately, which confusingly on their website, they say you create a free AI chatbot, but then when you dig into it, it's actually the actual AI chatbot's really just a Service Hub Pro or above. But it's getting a lot of focus, and I think it actually could be good. So pay attention to that. We're not going to dive into it in this episode, but I just call that one out. I think the AI chatbots because you can actually point it at your website and say, look at my website and kind of give answers on it. You could always do that with, I think you've been able to do that for ages with Knowledge Base, maybe. I'm not sure, but now you can add a whole bunch of other assets in. It's going to get better, and it's worth trying, I feel.